In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text spacing in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner, easier to read, or better formatted for school, work, or personal writing, changing the text spacing is a simple but very useful tool. Google Docs gives you several spacing options, and once you know where to find them, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to adjust the spacing. This can be an existing document you've already written or one you're currently editing. Next, click on the text and highlight it. This part is important because Google Docs will usually apply spacing changes to the text you've selected. If you only want to format one paragraph or one section, highlight just that area. If you want the whole document to use the same spacing, you can select all the text before moving on. Once your text is highlighted, go to the top formatting row and click on the line and paragraph spacing icon. This is the tool that controls how much space appears between lines and paragraphs. When you click it, a drop-down menu will open with several formatting choices. From here, you can choose the spacing option that fits your needs. You'll see choices such as single spacing, 1.15, 1.5, and double spacing. Single spacing keeps lines close together and is useful when you want to save space. Options like 1.1 or 1.5 can make text a little easier to read without taking up too much room. Double spacing adds more space between lines and is often used for drafts, essays, or documents that need room for comments and edits. You'll also see options to add space before a paragraph or add space after a paragraph. These settings can help separate sections without needing to press enter multiple times. There's also a custom spacing option, which is helpful if you want more control over exactly how your document looks. In the same menu, you may also notice advanced paragraph settings like keep with next, keep lines together, prevent single lines, and add page break before. These are useful for maintaining cleaner formatting, especially in longer or more structured documents. After you choose your preferred option, Google Docs will apply the change right away. If needed, you can try different spacing styles until the document looks the way you want. And that's how to adjust text spacing in Google Docs.